doing about 3,500 kilometers of Kolkata to Kanyakumari. I mean, firstly, I'd like to thank you guys for sharing those videos. It was absolutely an amazing, at the same time, an enriching experience. Once I completed that, my kiddo's birthday was arriving, and so we thought, since it was his 5th birthday, why not do something special? And considering the wild animal that I am, so I was, as it is in South India, and I thought, why not just call him to South India, like, expose him to the wild side of life, which is actually better than the civilized style of life. So right now it's breakfast time. We're already late. Breakfast is served, I can see it. Let's go ahead and eat, and I'll keep telling you about the whole experience as we go on. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Guys, I'm just going to do some work. Do you see my housework? Come here. Follow me. Come here. Come here. And the door with
Oh,
the
so
door.
this, you're making a house here using these twigs, and so you're going to make a roof on this.
Yes, I want to make some rooftop. I have some window here. Hello.
Nice. Come, let's go.
I'm coming. Just I'll tell
अच्छा भूख लगी चलो ऑमलेट पोंगल इडली सांबर chutney, and that is the view. Let's get to eating.
Give him some grass to eat.
Okay. इधर रख दो आके खाएगा. इधर रख दो उसके लिए.
तू इधर आ.
नहीं ये इधर खाएगा.
So yeah, we are done with the breakfast, and now I'm going to teach the kiddo how to climb the tree. Super interesting work now. They've got table tennis here, but who plays table tennis in the forest? You're better off climbing the tree. So this is the front part. This is where we park the car. So yeah, that's Nilgiris right over there, and we're trying to climb every possible tree in the property. It is so cool. Just check the view out. So this is the wooden hut. This is how the property looks. Alright, so we are done with lunch, and I took a nice little nap, caught up with some rest, because the travel exhaustion of all the traveling that I've been doing has started to show now. So was extremely tired, so took a quick nap. So we are told that there is this elephant camp where we can go see the elephants, and there's also a water hole or a river which is called a Moya River. We'll check that out as well. Apparently you get some good animal sighting over there. So yeah, and my hair has started to develop a mind of its own, which means I need to get it. There he comes. Oops. Chalo, come first.
Hi guys, we can see you
क्या है?
from the middle.
भाई सफारी जाना भाई, जंगल सफारी, एनिमल देखेगा ओपन जिप पे. अच्छा लगे ये सब. और फैमिली का सेपरेट गाड़ी है ये सब.
बाद में आए. So what you saw, these Masinagudi town is mostly tourist based, so a lot of people here run tourist safaris, but because of the pandemic not a lot of people are coming here, so they are onto the road and requesting each and every traveler to come do a safari.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a little sad to see that, because we've come here before, we never had
Why?
these people hound us for safari rides.
What sad?
It's sad. It is sad because earlier they never used to hound travel.
Okay.
Miraj, wait. Don't talk about it, please.
This is Masingara Gudi town. You can check it out.
You show to my.
So we've come to this elephant camp here. Elephants are there. And we forgot our mask in the car. So we almost came this close to not getting entry. Wow. Wow. Did you guys see the peacock flying? So this is all for this kiddo here. We're having a spectacular time just looking at these creatures. They are so magnificent and they've all look so royal and majestic.
So huge.
Yeah, we're teaching him a little bit about the wild side of life. Wow. So the feeding time is from 5:30 to 6. You have to book your ticket in advance and come here.
The tiger. Tiger will come. See, guys. Guys. See, the tiger will come, guys. It's going.
So what we get to learn is that these mighty tuskers here are fed twice a day blocks of rice, horse gram, sugar cane, and a coconut and a few other stuff. So that happens twice a day. Once in the evening at 6 p.m., which is what is going to happen now. And we are super excited. Super. Okay, so we are just done with the elephant camp at the feeding session. It was a very good experience. I'm so happy I did it, especially for my little boy here. He learned so much. I hope he did. And now we're just going out, so we still have to go about 10 kilometers through the forest to reach the place where we are. For now, this is the view. So we are by the side of this river here, which flows through the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. It is such a beautiful place. You can spot wild boars, deers, everything roaming wild here. The village folks washing, and the sun has just gone down over there. Mwah. I live for this experience. That's my wild animal here, and that's the mother and the calf. Can you hear the peacock? And everything here. Alright, so we are back in our resort, and it's been quite some time. So we've been sitting there. I've cranked up the ISO to the maximum, and we can hear noises that side. My sister heard like two pieces of wood jarring against it. They say it's a sound of a leopard. I heard monkeys and deers call. And the hotel people have told us that if you for your own safety, you gotta stay indoors and not go outdoors. So the property line ends there. What's beyond that is the wild forest. Let's head towards the dinner place now because dinner is served and I don't want to risk staying there alone. Let's finish dinner. What did you hear?
I heard some alarm calls and I heard some sort of a noise with two wood pieces when you rub it against each other.
Wow. That's veg biryani.
Raita, chili chicken.
So the resort manager here tells me that during lockdown, the animals were in plentiful, easily visible. In fact, he showed me that an elephant had. Thank you. He showed me that an elephant had walked into the property. Was quite a mighty tusker. Apparently, there's also a sad news of the tusker here in Masinagudi, which was recently killed. Well, yeah. So we are having dinner. Can't show much of it because it's too dark for the camera. But good food, So our plan today is to sit on top of a water tank, and that's like a good vantage point and observe wildlife. So yeah, let's finish dinner and head there.